Hello and welcome to Sauras's classes. Today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. We cover all the topics for biotechnology paper, that is biology, physics, chemistry and mathematics. And this is the question number 57 from section 3. That means this is a numerical answer type questions. In this type of questions, we need to find a numerical value as an answer. So let's get into the problem. The concentration of NaCl in mm formed at the stoichiometric equivalent point when 10 ml of 0.1 MaCl solution is titrated with 0.2 NaOH solution is dash, and we need to find the answer as integer. Okay. The reaction involved is HCl plus NaOH, which results in H2O plus NaCl. For HCl, N is equals to Cv, that means 0.1 10 ml, which results in 0.1 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. And for the next one, that is for NaOH, N is equals to Cv, which is nothing but 0.2 into 90 ml, which results in 0.2 into 90 into 10 to the power minus 3 mole. Okay. Therefore, the required answer is 65. Okay. So we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.